my Namrata Nair. We are profession to software development and I'm also making art models on Steam. So deciding my own is the name of art matters and I'm the proprietor of my company. And today's exercise is very nice. I'm enjoying and so what's taking this workshop. I like both 3D pen and 3D printer both. And I expect also that I think and on this bike. And that's okay. Just keep on doing this such kind of workshop. We'll enjoy it. Okay. Thank you.